video. So this week's video, as you guys can tell by the title, it is a full face of makeup minis. That's why my face is bare today. So yeah, I'm actually so excited for this video, and shout out to the people at Sephora who helped me out. They were so sweet and so on board with helping me do this video. So shout out to you guys. Definitely going back there if I have any more makeup related videos that I'm going to be filming. So yeah, anyways, there's not really much else to say, but if you do want to follow any of my social medias, I will have them right here for you guys, just to keep up on my daily things. And yeah, so anyways, let's get on into this week's video. So for primer, I'm going to be using my Tarte Base Tape Primer, and this one is really good for hydrating, so I kind of need that because my skin is a little dry this morning. So for my base, I'm going to be using the IT Cosmetics CC Cream in the shade Light. And then I'm going to be using the mini sponges from the Sephora collection. And these are so tiny, like, ah! So I'm going to damp this one up because this is the closest to like the actual beauty blender. So I'm going to go ahead and damp this one up real quick.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure.
So that is the CC cream. It looks really good and like really natural on me. I want to say the worst or hardest part of this thing so far is having the beauty blender being so much smaller than I'm used to. It is taking about twice the amount of time it would normally take me to put on my base, just because of the small beauty blender. The next item that I have is the Tarte Creaseless Concealer, and this is actually the first time I'm using this product, so I'm actually super excited about that. And this is in the shade 20N Light, so let's see. It's so tiny.
I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No.
Now we're gonna blend it out. Right as I put it on, I did notice it had a more of a tacky consistency than what I'm normally used to with my Shape Tape concealer. But I actually don't mind it at all, to be honest with you. So yeah.
What's stopping me now? I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes.
So for concealer, I feel like it is really good. I actually really like it. It blended out really easily and kind of like melted into my skin pretty well. So we love that. Next, we are going to bake. So I have the little travel size Laura Mercier setting powder.
I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try.
So setting powder, I kind of was able to get it really good on one side, and I really couldn't get it good on this side because it is a little bit harder for me to actually get the product out of this, surprisingly. So I question that. So for bronzer, I'm going to be going in with this Fenty Beauty in the shade Shady Biz, and I'm actually super excited about this. I actually have not tried this one as well, so this is a new for me. And there was no mini brushes, so I'm just going to be using my IT Cosmetics contour brush.
Not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car, nothing can.
So overall for contour, I am like contour bronzing, I think it turned out pretty good. I'm actually not mad about it. I feel like the color works really well for my skin tone, and like you can see it, but I feel like it's not too like bam and too out there. So yeah. Next, I'm gonna go in with some blush, and this is the Milk Makeup blush. Just a little stick. It's so cute. And this is in the shade Work. So yeah.
Break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to.
So for blush, I was actually kind of nervous since it is a cream blush, but when I blended it out, it actually blended out really well and like kind of went softly into my skin. So I really don't have any complaints about that. I feel like the color is really there, really popping. I'm kind of like, I don't use this much of like a plum color blush, I guess you could say. I use more of a pinky tone blush. So this is a little bit outside of my comfort zone for blushes, but I definitely like it. So for highlighter, I'm going to be going in with the Marc Jacobs Dewdrops, and I'm actually really excited about this. And I'm going to be using a little sponge as well, just to kind of blend it out.
Hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town.
So for the Marc Jacobs Dewdrops, like, can we just appreciate this highlight right here? Like, okay. It honestly turned out so well, and like it went on like butter. So soft, so smooth, and it just like melted into my skin right here. And then it just had that like really golden glow that like if I went to go take a picture during golden hour, like this would be poppin'. Like you would be able to see the highlight. So definitely a thumbs up for me on that one. So next I'm gonna go in with eyebrows, and I have the Goof Proof Brow Pencil Mini in the color 5. And so basically the only difference with the mini versus the regular is there is no spoolie, so it is just the pencil.
Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
Okay, so this is eyebrows, and I feel like I did them a little too dark. But I normally don't fill in my eyebrows, so I'm not like the best with eyebrows. But yeah, anyway, let's just move on to eyes. So for eyes, I have my Huda Beauty palettes, and I have the Warm Brown Obsessions palette and the Coral Obsessions palette. So I'm going to be using these two palettes to create an eye look today.
Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my.
So to complete the eye look, I'm going to be using my Rainforest of the Sea Tarte like glitter for eyes in the color Sea Glass.
Cigarette. Sit.
For mascara, there is two that I like to use. I like to use my Too Faced Better Than Sex and the Bang mascara, Bad Gal Bang. So I have both of these in the mini size, and the Bad Gal Bang is actually smaller than the Tarte Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So I'm going to just be using both of these today.
Lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's.
So for lips, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the color Ruthless.
Stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes.
Okay, so this is what the lips look like. I feel like it went on pretty easily. Definitely not the formula that I'm used to, and it is a little bit of a darker shade than I'm normally used to. But I decided to go out of my comfort zone when I picked this out, so yeah. Also, I didn't have a lip liner for this, so I think that made it a little bit more difficult with the color because it is more of that berry red color. So it kind of did bleed out a little bit on the side right there, so it doesn't look perfect like I would normally try to have my lips look. Last but not least, I'm going to be using my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea setting mist. And yeah, I'm just going to shake it up.
Wanna feel alive.
Hey guys, thank you guys so much for watching this week's video, and I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. Let me know if there's any other makeup challenge type videos that you want me to film, or if you guys want me to do a full face of something, or just any type of video requests that you guys may have, so I can get those planned out and filmed for you guys. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye!